Make a great choice today with the 2020 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.